Hello, it's Natasha and it's time for episode 5 of our Clean and Simple Holidays card series. In this video, I'm going to use new hot and fresh stamps and dies from Pinkfresh Studio that have been recently released as part of their holiday 2019 release. This is skiing by stamps and coordinating dies. I'm also going to use Pinkfresh Studio inks, these that are going to be released soon, and well, people, I've been playing with them the last few days and they are just awesome. But I'm going to make a video about them soon, so stay tuned. So in this video, in this episode of the series, we're going to make a card with critters, and we're going to make a fun, very simple monochromatic card in blue shades. And I'm going to use action wobbles from Art Impressions. I have the small ones, but don't worry if you don't have action wobbles. In the end of the video, I'm going to show you what you can do if you don't have action wobbles. Okay, so let's jump right in. Okay, so here's the card we have with you today. So this cute little bear sliding down the cliff. So I used the trees from the stamp set to add interest to our slope. I also used the snowflake dies to add snowflakes using sky blue ink from Pinkfresh Studio, because after all, the sentiment says take time to chase the snowflakes, right? So I had to have snowflakes on my card. And so that's how he wobbles. But as I said, if you don't have these action wobbles things, what you can do, take 2 strips of paper. This is just regular paper that I use for my photo, for my printer. This is just regular copy paper. So you glue it together like so. Okay, and then, so to get this action wobble, you're just starting to braid these 2 strips of paper. So you put 1 strip above the other one. So you go, so here you have, I don't know, okay, I hope you could see it. So, and you put in this strip that is below the one that is on top. You wrap it above the one that is on top, and like so, and like so. Okay, and you go and you go. Okay, so, and you get this spring. Okay, and if you adhere your image to the top of this spring, it will wobble. Okay, so here's a simple way, and obviously you can make it bigger if you have like a bigger image. So you can make the strips thicker or not thicker, but probably the better word would be broader, or you can make them thinner if you have a smaller image and you have this spring to have this wobble element on your card. Okay, I hope you're inspired. I will leave the link to the supplies I've used in the description to this video. Thank you very much for your time. So go through your stash, find a cute critter that you have in your stash, and make this fun winter card for your friends or family. Have a great day, happy crafting, and see you again soon. Bye.